Yo, what is up, peeps on YouTube? Solid Sneakerhead here, and today I am back bringing you guys another restoration video. Now, real quick, I'm just going to get into the shoe and what needs to be done to the shoe. And of course, well, not of course, you guys didn't know, but the shoe I'm restoring in today's video is the White Cement 3. You guys all know, if you did watch my, if you watched my, I think it's my collection video, that this is my #1 Grail status shoe right besides the Black Cements, which I don't have yet. But I am, of course, doing a restoration video, which you can tell by the name of this video and what I've been saying for the past couple of seconds. So I'm just going to show you what needs to be done. It's basically the same thing on both shoes. I will, of course, I need to stop saying of course, but in the video I will only be showing you one shoe, and it's going to be the right shoe that I restore. And at the end I will be comparing the right shoe to the left shoe. I might put a little bit of before and after pictures as well, but there will be B-roll of both shoes and what is wrong with them, and B-roll of the right shoe when I am done restoring them. So let me get into it real quick, come closer to you guys. Sorry if it gets a little bit loud, but first things first, I have to hit it up with a fresh repaint. I just prefer all my shoes with a fresh repaint. It just makes the shoe look a lot cleaner, even if they're beat. And I'm pretty sure everybody knows, but no matter how beat, threes in general, I think, can get, they will always look sick. Also, they are a little bit yellow. You can't tell. But I can't, unfortunately, I can't ice them right now because in Cali, it's just, the El Nino storm is coming, so it's pretty rainy and pretty cloudy. It's yellowed on the back as well, but I just need to give it a deep clean and actually hit up the Jumpman. There are some places that need to be, that are faded and just need to be touched up with some paint. They don't look too bad in the shots right now. Let me focus and get back over there. Sorry again. But I will, like I said, put in-depth shots. They're not that bad. I just prefer my shoes clean and crispy looking, and I said, why not bring these into 2016 with a fresh new look to them. So guys, if you're not already, follow me on all my social media, all of them down there. Instagram is the biggest one I use if you want to know what I'm up to. I also started using Twitter a lot more, but like I said, all that down in the description. As well as the products I use to clean these and restore these, of course, all down. Majority of them, I mean, are Angelus products, so like all that down below in the description. And at the end of this video, let me know how you think I did on the restoration, which what I could have done better, what's pretty sick, what's this and that. Just let me know some feedback, and it'll be very much appreciated, guys. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video. It's been Solid Sneakerhead here, and I hope you guys enjoy my time lapse of my restoration. Peace.
Yeah, cool, yeah. Now we oh so turned, kids, so sunburned, finding love at the base of the bottle. Now we all been hurt, trying to make some shit work with a promise of a better tomorrow. Said we all been hurt, all the lessons we done learned, baby, we can make it work. Said we all been hurt, all the lessons we done learned, baby, we can make it work. That's the way that I'm feeling. Smoking out on a beach, living life without a ceiling. Cause it's me and you just sipping, bro, gazing up at them stars, conversating about the future, and it's what we calling ours. On some fucking shit, baby, we gon' dip up at the Florence, make some music, live it up. Anything you dream of, girl, it's yours. Cause I done had a lot of money and I've made nothing at all. So now I see that the memories and time spent are critical, and now I want it all. Baby, can you be that? And I don't say that often, so I'm hoping that you see that. I just be back chillin' with the cheese, that tape on, bang, bow, bow, hit the beats, I'm taking weed naps after Mickey D's, waking up like where that weed, I get to sip and get to smoke. Let me say this ain't no joke, that the minute that I met you couldn't help but feel some hope, and now I'm falling deeper for you every time I take a sip, take a rip, take a dip, young love degenerates. Now we oh so turned, kids, so sunburned, finding love at the base of the bottle. Now we all been hurt, trying to make some shit work with a promise of a better tomorrow. Said we all been hurt, all the lessons we done learned, baby, we can make it work. Said we all been hurt, all the lessons we done learned, baby, we can make it work. Look, if I love it all, then I get my all. Built this thing too much for us to lose it all. Either go the distance or just lose no draw. Now I don't answer just like Holly Berry in the car. Now I'm outside turn, drinking by the curve. All the lessons we done learned, all the special things we earned. Baby, I know that you learn. Sorta like Usher, baby, I'ma let it burn, yeah. Now you say do anything to get me, yeah. But I was just taught before, and that's when you missed me. Scratch that, get back, count hundreds, 20s, 50s. This love shit is tricky, so tempt me. Now we oh so turned, get so sunburned, finding love at the base of the bottle. Yeah, we all been hurt, trying to make some shit work with a promise of a better tomorrow. Said we all been hurt, all the lessons we done learned, baby, we can make it work. Said we all been hurt, all the lessons we done learned, baby, we can make it work.
Can't hate these niggas, man, they ain't saying nothing like what? And they ain't saying nothing. So I'm riding through my city life, living this city life. Ay, ay. Riding through my city, I get new pay. I get new pay. Starting acting silly like I'm goofy. Like I'm goofy. Bitches rolling with me, showing new face. Showing new face, that new face, that new face, that new face, that new wave. That A1, I'm A+, that bitch bad, I'm gon' bust. I bust back, the ting strap, you get clapped. I flip packs, I roll up the doja. She screaming, she loca. She hold her nose up. She sniffing the coca. She sniffing the coke. Tipping, she tipping the blow. Her legs in the air, but my band's on the low. Your nigga from time, man, I been on the road. Your nigga from time never had it for show. Your nigga got time, and I'm 20, got hoes. So man, I just stun on these niggas, I know. So man, I just stun on these niggas, I glow. Man, I just glow. Man, I'm just shunning. Money keep piling. Eat a light snack through a stack on the island. My bitch is so bad, man, they all from the islands. Got so many hoes, man, I'm copping the islands. Flight to Milan, threads out in Cannes just like whoa. Plugs in Japan just like whoa. Lots out in France, give me dough. Lots out in France, give me dough. Oh. So I'm riding through my city life, living this city life. So I'm riding through my city life, living this city life. Riding through my city, I get new pay. I get new pay. Stunning at the city like I'm goofy. Like I'm goofy. Bitches rolling with me, showing new face. Showing new face. That new face. That new face. That new wave. That new wave. Hey, hey, hey. Man, so.
Yeah.
I don't believe, tell you I can feel
Devin Coleman.
Cannot see, doesn't mean I don't believe,
Yeah.
tell you I can
Hey.
feel.
I've been trying to get it since the motherfucking beginning. Been sitting in the basement working on a couple songs though. A couple years ago I never thought I'd do shit, but then I turned the volume up and heard me on the radio. Settle down, my first hit is what they told me. Then the buzz died down and now I'm sitting lonely. What the fuck is this, dog? I don't even like that song. So now I'm sitting back trying to right my wrongs. Damn. You see the industry screwing with you. Always trying to change what was destined to make off of you. Money kills, it's the root of evil, that's the truth. Cause in the US, if you don't pay your bills, then you're screwed. That's why I'm carving out my own path. Started at the bottom with an image and a Kodak. Trying to decode what unfolds to show y'all this is what I want, and I ain't stopping till my roll call go.
Cannot see, doesn't mean I don't believe. Tell you I can feel it. Cannot see, doesn't mean I don't believe. Tell you I can feel it.
I remember getting knocked down back in the old days. Bullying and beat on so much I wouldn't go the next day. Got so pissed at the way that they treated me. I always was broke down, they always defeated me. So lost till the day I saw a vision. Got a paper and a pencil, started writing out my feelings. And since that day, I swear to God, my life changed. Working every second, it's just showing my price range. I always got a contest to conquest your conscience. But you just gotta be honest. Really what you want, it's what you gotta find. If you live up in the past, then you'll never make it by. So live by the day, never worry, tomorrow will come. Pour up a glass, mixing coke with this rum. You just gotta find what you want, what you like. And I swear you never work a single day in your life, that's the truth. Yeah.
Doesn't mean I don't believe. Tell you I can feel it. Cannot see, doesn't mean I don't believe. Tell you I can feel it.
Been busting all these tables, just making some petty times. Hesitating every line just to get it down right. Looking out the window, I can see the future so bright. It's getting closer like the darkest night, seeping out light. Cause I remember every moment where they said it wouldn't happen. Now they looking at me, clapping every kick and note. Now I'm living life laughing, cause I told you it would happen. Making music in this booth to give you all real hope. Feeling hungrier than ever, looking up past forever. Never fearing, no surrender, reaching every endeavor. Let's get it. Can you feel it? Get the feeling now. My team up in your city now. Hands to the ceiling now, shut it down. From the bay to the moon, see us coming soon.
This country, you gotta make the money first. Then when you get the money, you get the power. Then when you get the power, then you get the money.
Baby, I ain't tryna die. Baby, I put in my ride. We gon' slide, we gon' fly. West Coast Cali, see the light. Mommy, when we ride. Look up to the sky, we high. All my fucking dreams inside. Blew up and we took a flight like oh. I just woke up from a dream. West Coast Cali, what I seen. I was chillin', smoking green with my bitch out in Malibu, stuntin' with the whole crew. Like nigga, what I told you, nigga, what I told you. We gon' blow, I told you. Was stressing, but I always knew. Sippin' on that slow screw, whippin' in that gold crew. Ayy, sheesh, rockin' the Flexico city. Ayy, got bands and I'm counting up 50s, I'm counting them. Rockin' the Flexico city. I'm flexing, my niggas roll with me, my niggas they ride. Hit a lick DT. Now I'm flying to the West Coast. All my niggas got packs, but I heard they got the best smoke. Hit a lick DT. Now I'm sliding, got the best smoke. She rollin' my shit, smoking OG and that petrol. Like baby, I ain't tryna die. Baby, I put in my ride. We gon' slide, we gon' fly. West Coast Cali, see the light. Mommy, when we ride. Look up to the sky, we high. All my fucking dreams inside. Blew up and we took a flight. Like money, dope. I'm just tryna make some more. Smoking no with my niggas, with my killers by the coast. Making figures on a boat. Man, I figured you should know. Blew a band up on the drive. You just tryna stay afloat. Ayy, white women, white linens, $100 white tees on white wine sipping. Purified white bitch, wood grain gripping. And she can't drive, so she be lane switching. Like white women, white linens, $100 white tees on white wine sipping. Purified white bitch, wood grain gripping. And she can't drive, so she be lane switching. Ay, flex.
Louis?
You can come fuck with the boy, right? I can tell you what the boy like. I know you feel the boy right. Feel on your neck, give you a lullaby. Yeah, I'm just tryna let you feel right. Feel like a star in the late nights. Guess you were going hard in the pain rise. See, I'm the right nigga. No, don't get it wrong. Do it for you. I'ma sing a song. Waiting for you. It's been way too long. Yeah, these nights getting longer. That strong is getting stronger. Things start to feel so wrong, yeah. But I still stay steady flossing, messing with you, and you keep on crossing. I be tryna fuck with you often. Quit playing games. You can come switch these lanes. Holla at me if you feeling the same. Come fuck with the wavy man. Girl, come fuck with the wavy man. Girl, I know ya. Hey, girl, I know ya. Girl, I know ya finna. Girl, I know ya. Finna come fuck with a wavy man. Can I come fuck with a wavy man? Can I come fuck with a wavy man? Girl, I know ya. Girl, I know you finna. Girl, I know you finna. Girl, I know you finna. Yeah. Girl, I know you finna. Girl, I know you finna. Girl, you got me hella stressed. The boy tryna be the very best. The boy tryna be very blessed. Got you wild, and I'm with that. Floss on these niggas, you did that. But the shit you with that. Cause you a bad girl, yeah, you a bad girl. And I get it, cause I mess with you. I really be the best with you. Party, have a fest with you. Oh, I got you. And they don't do it right, they won't. You a bad girl, yeah, you a bad girl. Yeah, you a real one and you show that. We can get it, yeah. Oh, we can get it, and flow, yeah. So, girl, yeah. Come fuck with the wavy man. Girl, come fuck with the wavy man. Girl, I know ya. Hey, girl, I know ya. Girl, I know ya finna. Girl, I know ya. Finna come fuck with a wavy man. Finna come fuck with a wavy man. Finna come fuck with a wavy man. Girl, I know ya. Girl, I know ya finna. Girl, I know you 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 finna.
There is no nobility in poverty. I have been a rich man and I have been a poor man, and I choose rich every fucking time. Because at least as a rich man, when I have to face my problems, I show up in the back of a limo wearing a $2,000 suit and a $40,000 gold fucking watch.
Mayday's payday, them new Vans. Kush diet on the hoodie, so you know the plan. Saying you the man, but what that really mean? Cause they was really mean when really this was all a dream. And now they finally seen what I tried to tell them. That passion everlasting, plant that in your cerebellum. Outcast them like a felon. Sorry, Miss Jackson. Fuck a cookie cutter like me, I want the action. And really I ain't asking for too much. Time moving slow and I ain't sipping out of 2 cups. It got me thinking of days, Pakistan's, double X's on my hands. So I plan to be the man, call me Dan Bilzerian. Giving you nothing but true stuff, realizing life. That the dollars in your wallet only take you to the site. But it's you's gotta choose if you see it. And legacy is all we scared to leave when we leaving, so we leave it like money, fame, liquor, or drugs. Guessing like a test, so we circle all above. Do you do it for the love of the people with a passion? For now we don't know, so we make it everlasting. Get it like Belfort. Hating something out of nothing, what the hell for? They say, get it like Belfort. Hating something out of nothing, what the hell for? They say, get it like Belfort. Hating something out of nothing, what the hell for? They say, get it like Belfort. Hating something out of nothing, what the hell for? They say, oh damn, Bobby, money running dry. And that's the type of shit that in my time don't fly. She looking for a guy, better swoop in that Sadie's Benz, and it depends how much you spend to get the lady. And I tell myself, fuck that, show me where the real ones. Nevertheless, I find myself debating, is it still summers? I don't ever see him at your modern day social. But once you cashing out, all the girlies get vocal. Sipping at your bottle, got you feeling so hopeful. But once your bottle's dry, all the girlies get mobile. Seen this shit happen, now it's tailored my focus. But I do it for the love, give a fuck about what dope is. And I don't know if you know this, but nor do I really care, cause perception is reality.